It's my new camera from Sony Handycam FDR-AX53 4K. That's from Sony. I bought a Panasonic camera for 3 weeks ago. It's on my channel, but I was not happy with this camera, so I sent it back after some days. It was not good enough. So I read a little bit and then I bought this Sony. Sony make good camera. The camera I use now to make this video is Sony RX100. That was called the best compact camera in the world. 1-inch sensor. It was the first compact camera with 1-inch sensor. So Sony make a fantastic product. We take the seal like here. Okay, little bit there. It's done. I read much good things about this camera. It cost like $1,000 US, maybe a little bit more. Sony European guarantee. Sony Handycam, different thing to battery and charging and different thing you can buy. Register your new product on here. Camera body and battery. Here it is. Down here is the thing. Micro USB to USB to camera to computer example or charging. Here it's and here is camera. There. And battery, it's in the corner. Here. It looks like big battery. Is it something more? No, I don't think so. I think that's all. Here. So here is the camera. Wow. Look at this. There. That is good. Handycam 16.6 megapixel. And look at this lens, wide 20 optical. Yeah, that is good. And I also bought a microphone from Røde microphone to have on this camera. I wait for it, so it will be up here. Yes. See this. And here you have for microphone this and micro USB or yeah, there and up here I think this sit, see here, So you can put microphone here. Smart. But it's 5.1 stereo surround mic. Wow, fantastic. And the most fantastic is this lens. It's like a gimbal inside here, so you can walk, run and get super smooth video. That is the coolest of all. Here is manual if you want to make manual there, and you can use this here. Yes. Fantastic. This camera is good because I read much about it, and Sony make good product. Exmor are balanced optical steady shot. And the camera I use now, like Sony RX100, this is Mark 1, the first RX100 I use now, and I have made extremely much film with this camera, and I am super happy with it. It's a fantastic camera and so small that you can take it with you everywhere and make good picture and film. That is cool. So what I have to do now, I have to upload battery and then take first look at the camera. Yes, Sony Handycam FDR-AX53. Here it is. First uploading Sony FDR-AX53. Battery, sit here. Yellow light.